Hey everyone. This week's module talks about entering the academic conversation. In this module, you'll learn what's expected of reading and writing in academic contexts. A very important part of this module is knowing the rhetorical situation of what we read and write. This even extends beyond the classroom. Whenever you text a friend or give a speech at an event, or perhaps see an advertisement on a billboard, we face a rhetorical situation. So as a reader and a writer, there are several important elements of rhetorical situations to consider. One of those being purpose. So what is the writer's purpose? Is it to entertain, to inform? Are they trying to persuade others to think something or to take action? There might be several purposes at the same time. So for example, they may be writing to inform their audience of something and at the same time persuade that audience of something. You also want to consider what you want your audience to think, do, or feel. Also, something very important to consider is what the writing task calls on you to do. Are you writing a narrative? Are you writing an argument, a report, etc.? So another element is audience. So who is the intended audience? Are you perhaps a member of that group? How is the writer addressing the audience? As an expert addressing those less informed, as an outsider addressing insiders. Also, when you're writing, how much do you need to inform your audience? How much do they already know? Next is genre. So is what you're reading a report? Perhaps are you supposed to write an argument, a narrative, something else? Knowing the genre can help you expect certain key features. All right, and the stance. Who is the writer? What do you know about them? What is their stance? Are they opinionated? Are they critical, curious? Are they objective? Are they biased? Knowing the stance affects the way you understand the text. Lastly, media and design. So what is the medium of the text? How does it affect the way you read it? If the text is in print, what do you know about the publisher? If you're reading something on the web, what is the website? When was it last updated? Also, what elements highlight key parts of the text? Are there charts, pictures, or graphs? These are all very important when considering the rhetorical situation of a text. So it's important to keep these elements of rhetorical situation in mind as you go through the modules and as you read assigned texts. Please let me know if you have any questions, and good luck with the module.